Very good to all of the community and the new people who are coming to this beautiful Top-Conquerors community. Here is a very explanatory video on how to download your Sublime Text, a program that is used to program web pages, create artificial intelligence, either for video games like I'm doing. I'm going to be teaching more or less how I program this game, making videos so that people can also make their own games or their own Age of Empires mods. Obviously we don't know how to have problems because they're based on Age of Empires 2, which is an open source game, but we'll talk about that in another video. Well, on this occasion, we are talking about how to download Sublime Text to C. It is quite easy to download it with your PC. You can do mostly web pages, you can also do some applications. There are several programs such as Visual Studio Code. There are several programs, but in this video I am already explaining how to download Sublime Text. To start, what you have to do is go to your browser. In this case I have Chrome, and the first thing you have to do is search for Sublime Text. The same for those who do not want to search. I will be leaving the link in the description, and they enter the first link that appears in Google, and here they see that the official page of Sublime Text is. Well, you can also download it on Linux, Mac, and Windows. In this case I'm going to do it on Windows because I'm using Windows 10, but if you don't have Windows and you use Mac, you can download it by clicking on these options. In this case I have Windows, so I'm going to click on Download for Windows. Now it's going to put this option that says this type of file can damage your computer. Download Sublime Text anyway. I download it because obviously it's not a virus. That is, the browser throws it at you as if it's a virus that could be dangerous, but this program is widely downloaded and Chrome out there has its own rules. So trust me that Sublime Text sure isn't a virus or anything. So, if you want more videos I'll be uploading these days, well, once Sublime Text is downloaded, you see how they do it to find the folder where it was downloaded, or what they do that I'm doing. Dragging this to the desktop, we minimize it and then we double click to install it. We click yes and then we click next. Install Sublime Text on your computer, and that's it. Once that's it installed, they give it finish. They can delete it or drag it to the trash, then they can search for it here. Sublime Text appears, and if it does not appear, they go to the side of Windows and search with the letter S. That Sublime will appear text, which is here Sublime Text, and the program appears to start programming this poster. They close it, they are updates, then they will be able to program. I have several projects here, so I generally use artificial intelligence from Rise of the Gago to decode. Well, I hope this video has been useful to you. Remember to subscribe and I will be receiving videos soon. So without further ado, I say goodbye until the next tutorial. See you.